Today, here with me, I have benzoyl peroxide 2.5%. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what are the uses of benzoyl peroxide, why is it better than 5%, and who all can actually use this product. Benzoyl peroxide is a treatment that has been prescribed by the dermatologist for the people who have acne problems or else someone who want to increase their skin cell turnover. It is known for its antibacterial as well as keratolytic effect, or else the property that can increase the cell turnover and also exfoliate the top layer of the skin by removing any sort of keratosis pilaris production, or else the bump that has been a lot of accumulation of keratin that can lead to formation of keratosis pilaris or the bumps. So it helps in removing and exfoliating the skin gently. I paid 191 rupees for this product, so I think that it is quite a affordable product and anyone can try it out with lower concentration. As you can see, it is 2.5% of benzoyl peroxide. It is a lower dose of concentration as compared to the 5% of benzoyl peroxide. So the mechanism of action is as follows. The benzoyl peroxide kills the Cutibacterium acnes. It is the type of bacteria that leads to acne onto the skin. So how does it do it? It targets the protein produced by these bacteria, and by the oxidation process, the free radical is being damaged, and that is how the bacteria is killed. It's a quite complicated pathway, so let's not get into that because we just need to know what are the uses of benzoyl peroxide. The next one is that it has been observed to reduce the inflammation. If you are someone who is suffering from severe acne, then it can also help you with the inflammation, the redness caused due to the inflammation. Then it helps to promote the cell turnover, as benzoyl peroxide helps to exfoliate the skin so the new skin cells start to come onto the top layer, and that is how it helps with keratosis pilaris and also improving the overall complexion onto your face. So the next part of the video is who all can use benzoyl peroxide. Usually benzoyl peroxide is prescribed for the first line as treatment because it's 2.5%. So let's say that you are someone who hasn't used benzoyl peroxide like ever, and then you want something that can gently exfoliate the skin and also give you the benefit by reducing the inflammation and acne forming bacteria that is leading to more acne formation, then 2.5% is prescribed. It's the first line of prescription given by the dermatologist for the patients who have never used benzoyl peroxide before. Teenagers and adults both can benefit out of benzoyl peroxide. It's good for both demographics, whether it be teenagers who have never used any sort of treatment before or the adults who have been seeing there is acne formation, so both can use it without any problem. And it's a lower concentration, works much better with a sensitive skin type who also have acne combination. People with oily and combination skin types can also use this, as it can help you with any sort of breakouts that is coming onto your skin. Usually the breakouts are caused by the bacteria that reside on our skin. There are numerous bacteria that reside. You have no idea. It's like skin microbiome. There are billions of bacteria that sit on our skin. So when the bad bacteria or the harmful bacteria start to clog the pores, that is when you have a breakout. So benzoyl peroxide can target those bacteria, kill it with its antibacterial property, and that can help you with reduction of the breakouts or else having an even skin tone. There is a big caution you need to keep in mind that breastfeeding women can't use benzoyl peroxide. It is not allowed, as it has its own potential risks and it leads to more dryness on the skin. So the breastfeeding women or the pregnant women are already going through a lot of changes in their body. So benzoyl peroxide application can just worsen the condition. So it's recommended not to use benzoyl peroxide any concentration when you're breastfeeding or you're pregnant. Let's say that you're an individual with sensitive skin type and you also have acne, or else you're suffering from rosacea, then you should not use benzoyl peroxide. Either you have very dry skin type. The benzoyl peroxide leads to more dryness. You should use it for like 10 minutes and then wash it off. That is it. You need to put a timer. You need to be cautious while using this, because if you overuse it, it's going to lead to more dryness. In the worst case scenario, your skin might lose its potential to hold water onto the top layer of the skin. That can be a very big problem. So benzoyl peroxide should be prescribed and used properly. In numerous studies, it has been shown that 2.5% of benzoyl peroxide works similar to 5% and 10%. But when you see the side effects, it is quite lower when it is in the lower concentration. But it does the same job as 5% and 10% of benzoyl peroxide. The best thing about benzoyl peroxide is that bacteria can't find any resistance against it, as bacteria have the potential to find resistance against the antibiotics, but benzoyl peroxide, it's not possible. So this is the reason why benzoyl peroxide can be used for a prolonged period, and a lot of people can get benefit out of it. Here are some tips that I'm going to tell you. The first tip is that you need to use it once a day if you are a beginner for benzoyl peroxide. Use it a little bit and see how it reacts to your skin. Do a patch test. Then you have to see, when you apply only once, how is your skin reacting to it. If it is okay, if it's leading to more dryness, then discontinue using it, or else you can apply the benzoyl peroxide for 10 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. The most important caution is that you have to apply sunscreen. If you're using benzoyl peroxide at the night time, you need to apply sunscreen and then go out. Because benzoyl peroxide exfoliates your top layer, so it can lead to new skin cells coming to the top, and that can be damaged by the sun. So the sun protection is a must if you are in a sunny place. So the possible side effects can be dryness, itching of the skin irritation, that is redness and peeling. You need to be very cautious that you're not gonna keep touching your face again and again, because the bacteria on the fingertips can transmit from your hand to your skin. So you need to be very careful when you are having this irritation. You're not gonna scratch it with your nails or with your hands. You just need to control yourself, because yes, benzoyl peroxide for some people can be very drying and it can lead to a lot of irritation. So it's important that you even moisturize your skin constantly. One of the best moisturizer that I love to use with benzoyl peroxide is the Embryolisse. It's the concentrate. It's really good for the babies as well, and it's having a really thick consistency. I absolutely love it. This is just something that I got from Temu to push the product out and to use it properly, because I tend to waste a lot of products, so I thought that I should try this out first. So with benzoyl peroxide, you can use this moisturizer. It doesn't react. I have tried it out, and it's a thick consistency which can help your skin to get that moisture content. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, and also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as a YouTuber and as an influencer to grow. I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.